Hi, I'm David Loy, Legal Director of the First Amendment Coalition. In this video, we're going to talk about accessing rap sheets under California law. Now, a rap sheet, as I'm defining it, is a complete list of a person's entire arrest and conviction history. And the short version is that under California law, rap sheets themselves are confidential and should not be disclosed to the public. In other words, I can't just go to the police department or the sheriff's department and say, please give me a copy of Jane or John Doe's entire rap sheet or criminal history. However, that does not mean all information about arrests or convictions is exempt from public disclosure. First and foremost, court records in California, which are not under the California Public Records Act, are still subject to public disclosure under the Constitution and court rules. So if you happen to know that someone was charged in a given court, you can go to that courthouse and ask to see, the records of that particular case. Also, under the California Public Records Act, police and sheriff's departments and other law enforcement agencies are required to disclose certain information about when people are arrested. The name of the person arrested, the time and date of the arrest, the circumstances surrounding the arrest, when they were booked, when they were released, and so on. Now, by case law, certain courts have held that that kind of disclosure can be limited to so-called contemporaneous information, that is, in the recent past. There's no hard and fast rule on what is considered contemporary or contemporaneous, but as a practical matter, many agencies define that as 30 days. So, long story short, you might not be able to get someone's entire rap sheet or criminal history from the police or sheriffs or courts, but you can get, up to the minute detailed information about recent arrests. If you have questions about this issue or anything else having to do with free speech, free press, or the people's right to know, please click the link below to contact our legal hotline. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell to be notified for when we release new videos.